What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Cakes with the Valencia Mall. I think they have a Footlocker here. We did get wind that, hey, they might have the Mocha sometimes this week, so we're kind of going out there just to investigate and talk to people. I haven't gotten a pair of Mochas. Your boy right here did get one. So you know, that one is more than zero, so you know what I'm saying? So it's all good. But yeah, so I'm kind of jealous, but yeah. Yeah, we're gonna go see what's up. We're gonna talk to people at Footlocker, see if we can get some info. By the time you guys get this video, it's probably gonna be too late for you guys to take advantage. But the point of this is to show you guys, hey, how much time and effort people, resellers, and the collectors actually put into it. So, you know, you guys need to put some work in there if you guys want some of these things. So yeah, I try to break as much news as I can on Instagram. So yeah, we'll see what happens, guys. Footlocker, probably a low volume store, not a House of Hoops or anything. Yeah, let's see what we find, you guys. See what we find. So this is a random Footlocker, never even been here before. Yeah, this is, I guess, the casual and the non-Nike stuff. Let's see what's up. This is the newest colorway. I think this is the newest colorway of the Reeboks, right? What the heck? Okay. The newest colorway of the Iversons. I don't know. Is this a Harden collab? Isn't that Harden sign right there? Okay. That's interesting. Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of these. I know some people do like them. Not the biggest fan. I like these. This is the Harden collab. This is a lot nicer. Leather's pretty decent on these. Colors, not bad. I'm not paying full price though. $150, definitely not paying full price though. This is it right here. $70. 70 bucks, man. That's pretty dope. That's pretty dope. Who was asking me about this? Was it Maine? I think Maine West was asking me about these. You got the kamikazes here. This is a small size. Oh, this is size 9? This looks way smaller than a size 9. Oh, okay. These are dope, dude. Not bad. Old school. $120. So pretty decent price too. RSX is here. No people are a fan of these. Yeah, I'm not a fan of that price. What the heck? Okay, only $10 off? What the heck? I do like the materials on this one. Got corduroy on it, suede. Yeah, that's pretty dope, dude. $100 a little high though. Then they got these. Look at this, $30. I picked mine up for even cheaper, but I think these are just the big sizes because yeah, these are 11 and a half. 11 and a half. But look at that price. That price is just crazy cheap. Crazy cheap. Everything else, pretty much just regular price. All right, let's look around some more. Wait, they do have a couple more ISXs for a decent price. Don't know the colorway color for that one. This is the Patronus one. Not too shabby, $60. The BMW one right here. Look, that one's 80, this one's 60, so I'll just ask for this one. Yeah, the BMW one, $60 for these. Checking out the Jordans, or the lack thereof. They got these bad boys. We just saw this on sale at one of the other spots. We gotta go for regular price, Jordan 1 low. Got these bad boys as well. Okay, cool. All right, I'm just looking around, looking for deals. These bad boys. Outlet prices. That one's similar to the outlets. A few of these going for pretty cheap as well. The React 270s. Got these bad boys. This is pretty dope, dude. It's pretty dope. This is my favorite one out of all the React 270s. All right, got these bad boys right here. Go for cheap. What are these? The Air Max Plus right here. Vapor Max Plus. Normally, I think, what, 190 or 200, so a little discount. Oh, okay, we've seen these on sale. Air Max 2090s on sale. His buddies up top on sale as well. 200s just haven't been selling, man. They're trying to get rid of them and get the outlets. Kind of seen the usual suspects on sale. We got the Elements right there. Got the Presto Reacts. The LeBrons, KDs. Kind of the same stuff, you guys. The Kyrie's also on sale. Yeah, same stuff, you guys. Got these bad boys in the women's section. Pretty good price, $70. Not bad at all. Seen these here and there. Pretty dope, $70, a hell of a deal. $100 for these. I kind of prefer that colorway over the bronze ones. They got those chocolate ones up there as well. Go for $120. $50. So is it 40 or 50 off of these? Yeah, $50 because they normally are 200 off of those bad boys. Air Max Plus, nice little discount. But that's about it in the women's section, man. That's about it. Let's go hit up another shop, see what's up. Wait, I said it prematurely. They probably only have the smaller sizes though, because when I have seen these at Footlockers, they've only had the smaller sizes because yeah, these are pretty dope. So the guys normally get them, and the girl sizes normally sit like the smaller ones. That is a size 8 right there. All right, that was a super short trip, so we're gonna find another spot to head out to. See what's up, you guys. All right, next up, you guys, we are at a resale shop, place called Equvalence out in Encino. See what they find, you guys. Let's see what we find, you guys. See what we find. Wow, you guys. Wow. That's all I got to say, man. They got a lot of crazy stuff here. Bossco's doing this thing. I didn't even notice. Look at that big old pile of shoes. Holy crap, dude. Oh wow. So apparently the Jordans get this entire wall right here, and this is like the others. So Air Force Ones, Kobe's, LeBron's. That's on this side. Dude got some Dunks, man. I don't even know what all these sneakers are, you guys. I just felt dumb. Okay, $160. Oh, okay, they do have a few worn things, so that's kind of cool. VNDS, that's pretty cool. Very near dead stocks. The price on these only $160. Not bad, not bad. Yeah, I'm like wondering where to start, but yeah, 7210s, super dope. These are VNDS. Yeah, 400. Yeah. Got some Spider-Mans going for 600. These are VNDS as well. Smoke Grays going for 220. Bossco knows about these. He's bought a bunch of these.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, these are nice. Fire Smoke Gray.
Cool Gray 11 lows. Brand new, going for 320. Actually, that's not even that bad. That's not bad at all. What size is this? Size 12. The Platinum 11s. Do you remember these? These were at the outlets. Tough. At the outlets so often. Like, we saw so many of these at the outlets going for $139. I should have pulled the trigger on those, man. Those are dope. Oh, I was like, I thought these were the Concords. Nope, these are the Emeralds. These are dope. Size 10, go for $260. Okay. You got the Concords right here. Oh no, these ain't even the Concords. Duh, these are the DMPs. Okay, 1400. Holy crap, I didn't know these were going for that much. Now we get to the Concords. $450 for these bad boys. Okay. Oh, so they have a size 8, 8.5, and maybe a 9. Okay, so they got multiple sizes on a few of these. That's dope. Gonna be a Dunk Highs, you guys. I rarely ever wear Dunk Highs, but yeah, these are I think these are the Black Sheep collab.
Black Sheep.
For the, what was it, the Hornets? I think the Hornets color with it.
They call it the Black Hornets, but it's a Black Sheep color.
Yeah, and then they did these in last 2019 All-Star, I think, release. Pretty dope. Do have the black cats. I didn't know these are going for that much. Because I do have a pair at home, have not worn them yet. Didn't know they're going for $450, $500. Dang. Why am I seeing the ones that I already have for the ones that just recently released? These are 3 something. Okay, $380 for these. The Oregon 5s. He got games, man. I'm dying to get one of these. Go for $400. Size 10. That's my size too. But yeah, I can't spend that much. That's a little more than I want to spend. Atmosphere Grays are next to it. I got these at home, chilling. $160 for these. These are VNDS. I would just say good condition. I don't know about VNDS. Gatorade 6s, super dope. $180 for these. That's a size 8. Yes, I got one next door, size 10.5 too. Dang, $160. Raging Bulls. I'm a huge fan of these. Dang, I didn't know. Oh, these are the DMPs. My bad. What the heck? They're going for that much? Yeah. Yeah, these are going for $711. I didn't know they're going for that much. Holy cow. These are one of my favorites, you guys. The Trophy Room 5s. Man, what these go for? Oh, dang, these are going for 12. Holy guacamole. Those are fire, though. I love these. Yes, I did talk to the worker here. Pretty much most of the stuff here is on consignment. I've always been curious on how stuff like this works. So yeah, do have Bossco doing a live stream. Make sure you guys go check his live stream out. Alright, so if some of the prices here are high, apparently if you wait, sometimes people do lower the prices because it is on consignment. That's really good to hear. But yeah, $400 for these. Oh man, I so miss these. Dang, one of the Jordans that I did skip, man. I regret it. Got the cigar and champagne pack right here. That's freaking fire, you guys. What do these go for? $220? Oh, that's not even that bad. That's not even that bad. I think that has been worn a couple times. What's this one? Yeah, it's a cigar one, size 13, $280 for these. Okay. PSG 5s. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I so love these. Oh, damn, this doesn't have a price. It is worn though. But yeah, I love these, man. I so wish I had those. All right, let's go check out the non-Jordan stuff. See what they got. Got some Griffies. I guess a Griffey 2 or something, man. $120. Oh, dang, some of this stuff really, really reasonable. Got the Kobe's. These are the draft days. $450 for these. There's another pair going for $350. That's what happens when. That's what happens when you do consignment. No, okay. Dang. Kobe 4s. I don't know which. It's the MVP colorway, I guess. It's going for $450. That is VNDS. This is got some PlayStation size 11, 200. Damn, that's super reasonable. Holy crap! I might have to come back for these. I think
The other pair. That was just for.
Dang. Okay. $300 for these. Dang, I got these, and mine's all jacked up too. Dumbass. Nah, let's look at a couple of the hype things, and then we're gonna head out because gotta get Bossco home. But yeah, $2,500 for these, the Travis Scotts. Oh, okay, that's what he's talking about. Okay, I'll tell you guys later. Okay, okay. Got these, the Chunky Dunkies. Oh wow, you guys got a bunch of them. All going for about $2,500. Different sizes, all brand new. Okay. Oh, okay, some candy cane ones. $2,500. $250. That's not too bad. Dude, they got the Chicago Dunks, you guys. That's insane. $1,200 and $1,500. That is dope. Undefeated's going for $400. All right, I definitely didn't spend more time here. We're gonna have to come back here. We're gonna have to go to Cool Kicks as well, cause yeah, I like both of those spots. But yeah, we're gonna have to call it a day, you guys. I hope this is enough footage. But yeah, we're gonna have to call it a day. They do have a dope selection, so make sure you guys check this spot out, dude. Alright guys, that was this past weekend. That was an interesting trip to the Footlocker. They did have some decent deals there. The primary purpose of hitting up that Footlocker was to try to get information on the Mochas. Unfortunately, we were kind of late, and it looked like last week all the Mochas were released at Footlocker. It looks like a lot of the ones in LA did get them on Tuesday. Some of them got them on Thursday. And yeah, I ended up missing out, you guys. I was hella busy at work on Thursday, so I wasn't able to miss a few hours to go ahead and try to get some of the Mochas, since they were released early on Thursday morning at most of the locations in the Valley. But sometimes you win and sometimes you don't win. It is what it is, you guys. The visit to Equvalence, that was super dope. They did have some crazy dope sneakers there. They had quite a lot of dope sneakers, actually. The prices were a little bit high. When I did talk to the general manager there, he did say that the prices did tend to be a little bit high right now because a lot of the stuff is there on consignment, which means the owners of the shoes are the ones that set the prices, and apparently a lot of people think they can get way too much for sneakers right now. Prices probably jumped up a little higher than normal because of the EDD checks and everybody with their stimulus checks and that type of stuff. So yeah, he was expecting the prices to drop a little bit now that the economy is probably going to slow down a little bit. I'm definitely hoping we can stop by Cool Kicks and maybe even go back to Equivalent to check out what deals they have. Some of their secondhand sneakers are definitely worth copping, and the prices are pretty low, so I might have to pull the trigger on some of those. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Definitely hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you help a way out, press that like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, you guys. Make sure you click on that notification bell. I do drop a whole lot of videos. Yeah, once again, thank you so much for joining. Thanks so much for making it to the end, you guys. You guys know I'm going to have plenty of more videos coming up. See you guys next one. Peace.